university SKUAST will be contributing to the agriculture for not only at the state level but also at the national level.
Since you know that all types of capacity building programs are extremely important for us to be updated. Every outreach programs that they are reaching to the unreached, they are sensitizing the people about it, but still there are many things that we are not knowing about this digital platform. But how we are going to make it specified for ourselves? Maybe I will also sit here and see.
लेकिन फिर भी अगर 1000 में से अगर हम आधी थोड़े से आधा से ज़्यादा 60-70% भी रिजॉल्व कर पाए तो विल रीच समवेयर। जो पहला रजिस्ट्रेशन हमने किया था तब डोमेन वगैरह की बात नहीं थी, एसएमएस उनका डिसिप्लिन करके वो आ गया।
We are deeply honored that Director ICRI, Professor Parvinder Shirong sir has joined us today.
We decided it's better to hold these workshops at the post organization levels to get the best feedback. This is the one aspect. Second aspect is there to save energy and resources. We 2 persons came from ICRI and we have a strength of more than 30-35 here. Otherwise, we set a target of 200 average participation from each KVK. Would you believe from Jammu and Kashmir it was the highest in zone 1, 336. At zonal level it was 274, at the national it was 236. So it was always your sincere efforts made with Horticulture Vigyan, made we earlier conducted. The important part is that in Jammu and Kashmir we have another support, financial support through HCDP. Nowhere the support is available and you are lucky enough you are getting this support.